Right, this weekend, 16th through to the 18th of Feb, we're going to London. So this weekend we're hitting the road again. This time we're going to the MCN London show, London Docklands. And this time we're going to be exhibiting with the lovely gentleman from Urban Rider. We'll have the full collection on hand, we'll have experts available, and we'll also have a preview of what's coming out over the next month. Plus we'll have some show exclusives that you're actually going to have to visit us to find out what they are. And finally we'll be bringing updates throughout the show so you can get the best of the show even if you don't end up turning up. So as part of our attendance at this show, we're going to be giving away 3 pairs of tickets, competitions staged throughout this week. So in order to enter, firstly like this post. Secondly, subscribe to our channel, whether that's on YouTube, whether that's on Facebook, it doesn't matter, we're going to pick up the scores from anywhere. Then comment and share with your friends too. So best of luck and hope to see you there next weekend.